Now hello there! If you see this, then you most likely just subscribe to my Patreon and have no clue what to actually do. Now in this small video I will show you that it's actually really easy. You just need to open this website here, flashbangs.fun, and we'll receive the link to the latest download. Now you're just gonna click link to post and you see the download button already here. Now you're gonna download that. I'm gonna trust you that you're able to do that, and you're practically already done with the biggest and most time-consuming part. You're going to receive this archive here. If you have WinRAR or 7-zip, you can just right-click it and extract it here. The next thing that you will receive is this folder, and you're practically already done. Now, if you're a beginner and downloaded this game for the very first time, if you want to run this Koikatsu registry fix in here, just run it real quick and it's already done. You can quit it, and just to be safe, if you never played the game before, just use this launcher. It's nothing amazing, but it works. You can open the settings first, just to be sure that it's set to the correct resolution of your monitor. You can mark full screen if you want to play in full screen, and then you can already go back to quitting it. Next thing is simply launching the game, and as you can see, the game is just starting now. You can see the messages here that the mods are loading, the game is translating. You can see the start screen, and you are in the menu in 3, 2, 1. And from here on out, you can choose to make your own character. In the Char Maker, you can go to free age if you just want to have fun, or you can start a new game. Now, this is practically already it. It's going to be that easy forever. So yeah, enjoy the game, my people.